In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Wix Logo Maker. So the first thing you want to do is Google Wix Logo Maker, and then the first website is Free Logo Maker. Create your own logo design from Wix.com. Click on this, and on their website, you want to click over here where it says Get My Logo. And once you click it, you'll be automatically prompted to create a Wix Logo Maker account or a Wix account. So if you have an account already, it's the same account that you're using for Wix.com to get basically access to Wix Logo Maker. So in case you have a Wix account, press login over here, but if you don't, you'll have to sign up over here. In here, you will have to type in your email and then retype your email again, choose a password, and then confirm your password. After that, click sign up and you're ready to go. Or alternatively, if you want to sign up faster, you can continue with either Facebook or Google. So my preferred way is to continue with Google because I think it's the fastest way to do it. And then as you can see here in a second, I will be signed in. Then you will have to choose how you want to create your logo. So you can select if you want to hire a professional designer or create a logo yourself. I'm going to go create a logo myself. And then over here, you can create your logo and brand with the help of an AI chat. I'm going to click create without chat for this instance, but of course you can click create with chat if you want to. Now over here, it will then ask you what type of business do you have, and then a few more personalized easy questions. Now you can type these true if you want to, or just simply press skip down here and then skip yet again, and then after you're done skipping, it will say creating logos for you, and it will take you to the Wix Logo Maker, and your sign up process has been completed successfully. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.